Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your sales conversions with Optimizely, full guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding the importance of sales conversions in your business. Next, familiarize yourself with the Optimizely platform. Visit the Optimizely website and create an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you'll find various tools. Select the Start a New Experiment option to begin optimizing your sales funnel. Decide on the elements you want to test, such as headline. Create variations of these elements to see which one performs better. Ensure your sample size is statistically significant for accurate results. Set the goals for your experiment, focusing on conversions. Choose the audience for your test based on user demographics or behavior. Launch the experiment and monitor the initial results closely. Use Optimizely's real-time analytics to assess how each variation performs. Make note of the variations that lead to higher conversion rates. Once you have sufficient data, analyze which elements were most effective. Decide whether to implement the winning variation permanently. Continuously test and iterate for ongoing optimization. Remember to always keep your audience's needs in focus throughout the process. Utilize customer feedback to inform future experiments. Regularly review your sales conversion strategies to stay competitive. With these steps, you can effectively use Optimizely to protect and enhance your sales conversions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.